Here's just a little audio check into my R390 set to 7290. I'll just take a look here, go back over the transmitter and transmit, and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. It does have audio. Mind you, this is into a dummy load. Getting a little feedback, echo background noise there. But you get the idea. It's transmitting audio. Take a look up at the peak meter. 1 2. We're at 7290. That VFO drifts a little bit, but 4 AM service is going to be fine enough. I'm getting excited about this. Getting excited to get it on the air and see how it performs.